Okay, what's up guys? My name is Prime. So I'm going to take you on a tutorial on how to create professional videos on your smartphone, your adverts on your brand, your business, TikTok videos, whatever. You could create a professional video with your smartphone. Okay, you all know the particular app we mostly use. We use Viva Video most times. We use InShot. Okay, let me show you what InShot actually looks like. Some use InShot, some use Filmora, some use Viva Video. I don't have Viva Video right now, but the best and most professional app you could use to edit your videos and also has almost all the features of Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the system software, is called KineMaster. KineMaster is one of the professional video editing app you could ever find. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let us go with it. Okay, click on KineMaster, then it opens a work page. Your project, your previous project. These are projects I've worked on before. So you could click on it and then you go on with your project. Okay, you can go with your project. You click the pen sign, go with your project, or you could create new. But for now, we'll just create new project. Okay, this is ratio. We have 16:9 ratio, which is the horizontal. We have the vertical ratio, which is 9:16, which is mostly for maybe TikTok videos or some other kind of format. We have the 1:1 ratio for the project, but the standard ratio is 16:9, which is this one, 16:9. 16:9 is the standard ratio for video editing, for adverts, your brand and everything. This is the standard ratio. So let's go with it. Okay, now this is the working page. This is the window. This is your work area, but this is where you actually mount the block. This is your timeline. This is where you put all your working tools and everything. These are also functional keys. This particular area is for undoing and doing, for setting up some key features. This particular area is for inputting some features, transitions, your media, your audio, your music, your background music. This is for imputing it. So okay, now what I'm going to do now is try to place our video on this particular working area. Okay, so go to media and then we'll look for our video. Okay, let's go with this, and I'll go with this particular video. Okay, so it has automatically loaded. Okay, I'll go on the back button here, and then so this is our video. So the next step now is to teach you how to combine two videos together, how to cut and join, how to put your transition.